All right, I am at this amazing place called CF Craft Sports down in Naples, Florida, and this is their brand new showroom. They're importing all these cars from Japan. They have a big presence over there, and they specialize in the, R34s, R32s, and the Skylines and stuff, GTRs. And as you can see, they have an absolute ton of them. But basically, they only opened a few months ago, and they've had a few articles pop, and they've been gaining some traction is what they're telling me, and getting people coming and checking the place out. But they import beautiful, fully able to license these cars in the United States and insure them. But almost, since they're all imported, they're almost all, right-hand drive. And but it's just a beautiful showroom to walk through. This is a licensed car. I guess one of the guys here is driving this. Beautiful. But what really caught my eye is this blue Supra. Pretty nice. Looks pretty much stock. Like somebody just drove it, Clean right-hand drive. 6-speed, 94,000 miles, quite a bit. About 55,000, but I really love, and I mean I love is an understatement. I'm actually tempted to buy this. Beautiful silver NSX. It's a 93 with a full custom red interior, and it's perfect. It's mint condition inside. Just absolutely beautiful. It's an automatic, well maintained, doesn't even have rock chips on it. Let's see, it's a 93 automatic, and 63,000. But yeah, there's some absolutely amazing cars here, and some great people that work here. They're really nice, so I could do some filming, turn the radio off for me, so I don't have to worry about getting copyright striked. But yeah, as you can see, there's just endless rows now in St. Louis in the Midwest. We don't have anything like this, so we can go look at muscle cars all day long, hot rods and classics, but we cannot do this up there. This white one is absolutely amazing with the white wheels. All the import information's here. GTR, 12,000 kilometers, $46,000, right-hand drive. So I'll post a link down below, to these guys with some phone numbers and directions and their website and stuff. They're super nice and talkative, and definitely don't mind me doing some filming here. I really liked this one. This has been driven, but it's really pretty. Oh, here, this would be a nice shot. So here's where it's weird. I'm gonna have to ask him what that means. Beautiful shot down that row. Beautiful shot down that row. All those tails. Well, I have to thank them for letting me do some filming, and you guys, this place is amazing. Like I said, it's down here in Naples. If you have a chance to get down here to Craft Sports, definitely do it. You won't be disappointed. And they said they have more variety coming too really soon, so this is just them getting started. So thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.